How to save a file to OneDrive. Now, saving a file to OneDrive is similar to saving a file to a network drive. It's just that rather than the file being stored on a server in the building you work in or on your home computer, it's stored in the cloud, which is simply a general term given to how data is stored off-site when you're using Microsoft 365. Let's have a look at how we do it. So I've got a document on screen that I want to save. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click the File tab and I'm going to choose Save. Now you'll notice over here it says OneDrive and My Details. Now it should show there as your organizational name with your own name, or OneDrive with your name. To save your file, all you need to do is navigate to your desired folder by clicking More Options. From here you can navigate to your desired folder. If you have access to a shared drive in a business, for example, to store this file, maybe the file needs to go into finance or HR, etc. Once you've reached the desired location that you want to save the file in, you simply click the Save button. The file is now saved to OneDrive, making it much easier to share and work with, regardless of wherever you're located. So that's saving a file to OneDrive in Word 365.